Welcome to Factic. Today we're taking a deep dive into the DJI Mavic 4 Pro. This drone is packed with new technology that takes aerial photography and videography to the next level. It comes with a high-quality Hasselblad camera, longer battery life, and advanced AI flight features. If you're a professional filmmaker, aerial photographer, or just someone who loves flying drones, this one is built to impress the Mavic. 4 Pro has a better sensor, improved autofocus, and a smarter obstacle avoidance system. It's designed to capture smooth and sharp footage in any environment. Whether you're filming in bright daylight or low light conditions, it also has a stronger transmission system, so you get a stable video feed even at long distances in this review. We'll break down its design, camera performance, flight capabilities, and smart features. Stick around to see if this is the right drone for you, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth tech reviews. The DJI Mavic 4 Pro keeps the sleek and compact design that makes the Mavic series popular. It folds down easily for portability and is built with high-quality materials that make it more durable. The drone is slightly heavier than its predecessor, but this gives it better stability in windy conditions. It also has quieter propellers, so flights are smoother with less noise. One of the biggest upgrades is the camera. It features a 4/3-inch Hasselblad sensor that captures stunning 20-megapixel photos and 5.7K video at 60 frames per second. This means you get better detail, more accurate colors, and improved low-light performance. The adjustable aperture ranges from f2.8 to f11, which allows for better control over exposure in different lighting conditions. The new AI-powered autofocus system tracks moving subjects with more accuracy. Whether you're filming fast cars, wildlife, or action sports, the focus remains sharp and precise. It also supports 10-bit D-Log and Apple ProRes, which gives professionals more control in post-production. Another big improvement is the zoom capability. The improved telephoto lens lets you zoom in without losing image quality. This is great for capturing distant subjects like landscapes or wildlife. Flight performance has also taken a big leap forward. The Mavic 4 Pro now has a longer battery life, allowing up to 50 minutes of flight time on a single charge. This means more time in the air and less time swapping batteries. It has a top speed of 45 miles per hour, making it perfect for high-speed tracking shots. The improved wind resistance helps keep the drone stable, even in rough conditions, and enhanced GPS and real-time kinematics positioning provide better navigation accuracy. One of the standout features is OcuSync 4.0. It extends the video transmission range up to 15 kilometers with a stable 4K live feed. Even in areas with interference, the connection remains strong and reliable. Safety is another major focus with this drone. The Mavic 4 Pro has a full 360-degree obstacle avoidance system. Advanced sensors detect and avoid obstacles in real time, so you can fly with confidence. If the drone detects a potential collision, it will automatically adjust its path. The improved return-to-home function ensures the drone lands safely, even if the signal is lost. Emergency auto-landing activates when the battery is low, so you don't have to worry about crashes. The drone also comes with smarter flight modes. Active Track 5.0 follows subjects smoothly, even when they move unpredictably. Master Shots 2.0 helps create cinematic sequences with just one tap. Waypoints 3.0 lets you plan complex flight paths for professional shots. There's also a new Sky Panorama mode that captures high-resolution 360-degree images. This is perfect for creating immersive content overall. The DJI Mavic 4 Pro is one of the most advanced drones available. It offers professional-level features with user-friendly controls. Whether you're a filmmaker, content creator, or drone enthusiast, this drone delivers top-tier performance. The DJI Mavic 4 Pro is a game-changer. It brings a more powerful camera, longer flight time, and smarter AI features. If you want to take your aerial photography to the next level, this drone is a solid choice. It's built for professionals and serious drone users who need high-quality results and reliable performance. With its improved autofocus, enhanced obstacle avoidance, and long-range transmission, it's one of the best drones you can get right now. The ability to shoot in 5.7K, track moving subjects with precision, and fly for almost an hour makes it perfect for capturing stunning visuals in any environment. That's it for today's review. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and let us know what you think in the comments. Also, don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth tech reviews. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.